Rotolight is a pioneering British technology company that specialises in making advanced LED lighting products for portrait photography, events and weddings, as well as leading filmmakers and directors of photography. 2 years ago, we tasked our engineers with the challenge of taking the technology from our $5,000 Titan cinematic lights and putting that into an affordable $500 price point to allow us to bring this revolutionary technology to filmmakers and photographers all around the world to forever change the way that you work with light. I'm delighted to say that our engineers achieved it, and so today on Kickstarter we're announcing the Rotolight NEO 3, the world's most advanced and brightest on-camera light ever made, and AEOS 2, the most powerful, portable workhorse light on the market. This next generation of Rotolight products we're announcing here today are the ultimate all-in-one lights, featuring the world's first high-speed sync RGB flash. Select from any colour temperature or any one of 16.7 million different colours or 2,500 gels all built into the light, and a powerful continuous light packed full of industry first features enabling you to shoot what you see. Both of these products feature a world first intuitive full colour touchscreen display that saves you a significant amount of time on shoot, and tons more features that will provide you with unlimited creative possibilities to take your photography and filmmaking to the next level. Rotolight's been used to capture iconic portraits of leading celebrities such as Margot Robbie, Keira Knightley, Jake Gyllenhaal, Hugh Grant and Martin Scorsese. We've even shot videos for EA Sports, for Need for Speed, and most recently on feature films such as The Colour Room starring Bridgerton's Phoebe Denver, as well as major TV shows for BBC and ITV. Seeing the product being used on Dancing on Ice with over 30 lights lighting the entire set was a real honour and thrill for us.
Rotolight are renowned for the highest quality lighting in the industry. So we've chosen to partner with a UK manufacturer, mainly because the UK is the centre of innovation and engineering expertise. We're extremely proud of the people that we have behind us. It's those people that drive the quality of our products. It's those people who make Rotolight what it is.
One of the great advantages we have at Rotolight is that we are a family business. We listen to our users. In fact, we think of them as part of our family. We find their passion and inspiration just drives us to do even crazier things on a day-to-day basis. So what we really love to do is to develop new technologies, stuff that's going to really inspire our users. And that over the years has led to over 40 international patents for the technologies like special effects and RGB flash. We're building those technologies back into the NEO 3 and the AEOS 2. People are going to be very surprised. They just won't know what's hidden.
Rotolight continues to be at the forefront of innovation in the LED lighting industry, and to do so requires a consistent and considerable investment in research and development. We're really excited about the Kickstarter platform because it allows us to access a much wider range of people to let them know about the incredible benefits that these Rotolight products can bring to your photography and filmmaking. But to our existing customers, it provides us a great opportunity to say thank you for your decade-long support of Rotolight and give you an exclusive opportunity to own these products before anyone else in the world. So back us today. We can't wait to see what you're going to create.